welcome back to our Monday Live. It's Monday Live with MJ and attorney 𝗟𝗏𝗄𝗧, where we kick off the week on a brighter side. Last week, we talked about how free will could compromise your soul.
But we're here to give you the other examples how free will can compromise our soul in the spiritual, the emotional, the physical, and the social aspects of life.
Good news! Not all negative traits or negative choices could remain bad all this time or could result to bad things. Free will, a double-edged sword.
So we want to know, when is a yes bad? When is a no good? We're going to look at different things, different aspects, and different examples on how positive words can sometimes have a negative and how negative words sometimes are positive.
Let's take, for example, on our spiritual side. When is jealousy a typical negative word could turn into good? Back when I was 7 or 8 years old, I grew up with my grandparents and they taught me to go to Mass, one on a weekday and one on a Sunday. So one Sunday, I didn't wake up 7 o'clock a.m. So I ended up looking at a window and seeing people joyfully getting out, feeling fulfilled coming out from the church. I was jealous that people are coming out from church. They already received Jesus and I was right there because I didn't wake up early. What happens is I feel determined from that then on to wake up really early. So I don't have to wait the next week to hear and to feel fulfilled and receive Jesus in Most Holy Eucharist.
Being genuine is always a good thing. What's the opposite of being genuine? Plasticity, masking, pretentious. Well, I've actually appreciated a story that I heard from my brother recently. We were talking about masking or plasticity and how sometimes you need to change the way you are actually giving or delivering a message. And if they're not understanding what you're saying, you might need to change a little bit. So that was a negative thing I always thought, but it was actually a positive in that we get to actually get our message across to the other side and they understand us better. So that's one thing that we do to make sure that a negative turns into a positive. On the physical side, pushy. The word pushy is sometimes seen as negative, which pretty much it is. But what does being pushy do? Being pushy actually motivates you. Somebody's pushy, telling you that you need to eat better, to work out, not go out so much all the time, go get some more sleep. They're being pushy because they care about you. That's where another example of how someone can be pushy and a negative, it's going to create a positive. And what's the last one, MJ?
Lastly is socially angry. We love to travel. We love to be with family. And one of my siblings, got really angry. How could angry, a bad feeling, turn into good? One of these days, we're going to tell you the whole story when we're back in town. What happened from angry to happily ever after travel? When is a yes bad and a no good?
Sometimes we go to too many parties. Sometimes we get too many invites and we keep saying yes. Sometimes that's a negative. We actually need to stay at home, foster our businesses, make sure that CTOs keep going, our bookkeeping, the law firm. You've got to make sure that all the business is doing well before you can party. That is an instance where saying yes too many times is a negative.
Remember, we only have one emotion. We only have one time. Make sure that that job is not enslaving us emotionally in ourselves, because if we do, we cannot turn back time. We cannot be profitable at all. Please drop that job if it enslaves you emotionally and yourself. This is a free country where we live freely and really share to the world the gift of free will in a godly way. See you next time. Ciao, everybody.
Thanks for watching our video today, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. If you'd like to follow us on our other social media links, they're right here. Have a great day.